What if I tell you that there is a great website that will pay you $5 for every single minute? You can make fast PayPal money in 2022 with this method. Take note, it even has different withdrawal methods, so you don't have to worry about cashing out your earnings. This online method is easy and fast and will make you a money-making machine. So watch this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how to earn $5 every 60 seconds. In today's video, I'll teach you how to quickly earn easy and free PayPal money using your smartphone, computer, or any other device. This website works all around the world, so no matter where you live, you can earn from it. If you watch this video all the way to the end, I'll show you how to sign up for free, how to make money on this website, how to withdraw your earnings, and I'll even show you a bonus website that will pay you $3 simply for signing up. So stay tuned and listen carefully to these step-by-step details that I'm going to demonstrate that will serve as your bridge to make fast PayPal money in 2022. But before anything else, I would like to welcome you all to the Online Money Girl channel. I'm your online money girl, and I teach people all over the world the latest tips and trends on how to earn fast PayPal money regardless of background and expertise. If you're into that, please tap the like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll always be in the loop for the latest money-making news. If there are some online earning opportunities from home that you would like us to feature, let me know in the comments because I appreciate those. So, are you ready to earn your fast, easy money online? Without further ado, let's get down to business. First, I want you to visit this incredible website which will pay you easy money, and this is completely free. Don't worry, I'll show you how to get to this website soon, so keep your eyes peeled. We can actually earn money on this website by doing offers such as watching videos and taking surveys. I know that many people dislike taking surveys because they can be boring and time-consuming, but don't worry, this website is not like that, which is why I love it and I'm sharing it with you. Their surveys are simple and it just takes about 2 minutes to complete. You can also earn money by completing offers on this site. By clicking the offer section at the top of your screen, just select one of the featured surveys and just by completing it, you can earn as much as $5. They also offer a variety of withdrawal options besides PayPal. You can withdraw your money via Skrill, Amazon gift cards, Tango, or even Bitcoin if you don't have a PayPal account. The best thing about this website is that you can access it from your smartphone. It actually works better on a phone than on a laptop or computer. This is how you may sign up for a free account. Click this Join Free button at the top portion of your screen, which will take you to their sign up page right here. Enter your name, username, password, and email address first, then your address, city, zip code, and country. This works on anywhere on the globe. You can only enter your withdrawal method after you've selected your country. Then, click these boxes, verify the CAPTCHA, and register. This is what your account will look like once you've created it. Now look at this. You already have a 20-cent joint incentive to your account balance, and you'll be able to pay out whenever your balance reaches $1, which is incredible. You only need to earn $1 in order to withdraw your earnings, so you're really going to make fast PayPal money on this website. First, click on Earn Money, and then, as you can see, there are a variety of surveys that we may complete to earn money online. As I previously mentioned, the surveys are simple and easy to complete. Now, I'm going to click on Popular Surveys, and once you do, you'll find that these are the highest paid surveys available, and you can finish them all for free. So take a look at these surveys. This one pays 30 cents. This one also pays 30 cents. And some surveys pay up to 50 cents, 60, 80, or 85 cents just to complete them. One of the things that is amazing about this website is that we can take surveys as many times as we want. Unlike other survey sites, they only have limited surveys. This is not the only way to earn money on this website. You can also complete offers, watch videos, and earn money by referring others. This website is called rewardingways.com. Again, that's rewardingways.com. But don't go straight to this website yet because I'll show you how to withdraw your PayPal earnings from this site and give you a bonus website that can also make you fast PayPal money online. So, how to withdraw your earnings? Go to the homepage and click on Withdraw Cash. Once you've clicked it, you can cash out your earnings via PayPal, Skrill, or Bitcoin. At rewardingways.com, they also have a referral program where they will reward you for referring new members by paying you 25% of everything that your referrals earn for life. For example, if a person that you refer completes a $4 survey, you will automatically be credited $1. This is one of the simplest ways to make money online at Rewarding Ways and allows you to earn a passive income. It's really simple. All you have to do is copy the link provided and send it to whoever you would like to join. Remember, they must use your particular link. Before I give you the next 2 websites that can give you fast and easy PayPal money, give this video a quick thumbs up to let us know you have watched to this point of the video. This is the bonus website I'm going to show you. This website will pay you $3 just for signing up. This website is similar to rewardingways.com, but it pays more than that website. As you can see, they also have a variety of withdrawal methods. So if you don't have a PayPal account yet, you can use another method. This is squishycash.com. That's squishycash.com. Here are some examples of payment proof that many people are receiving from squishycash.com. To create an account on this website, click Join, then enter some information, and you can sign up for free. You can earn money by watching videos, completing offers, taking surveys, and playing games after you create an account. Now, if you want to earn some fast and easy money, why not visit and try these 2 websites I have mentioned, rewardingways.com and squishycash.com. Now, I want you to know that these 2 websites will not make you rich, but they will allow you to earn some extra cash to spend on whatever you want and make fast PayPal money online. If you found value in this video and would like to know more money-making hacks online, make sure you're in the loop when we upload a new video. Give us a huge thumbs up, hit subscribe, and the notification bell icon. Don't forget to comment below on what kind of other money-making methods you want to see next time. Thanks so much for watching till the end. I appreciate you and your time. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next money-making video.